Greetings to all. This is Anahad Srihari from Karno University, and this is my first e-video for the Case Tools Lab. My register number is UR15CS250. The first exercise is about use case diagrams, and the scenario given is exam registration system. Actually, use case diagrams are used to identify the functionalities of the system. Here we have uses and the use cases with and the interactions between them, which help us to get the functionalities of the system. The primary goals of the use case diagram include the providing high level view of the system, identifying the users of the system, and determining areas needed by human computer interface. So the basic components of use case diagrams are actors, use case, association, include and extend. Here actors is depicted using a stick diagram like this, and it gives these are mostly the depiction of the person which uses the system. The second is use case itself, and use case are depicted using an oval shape circle in which we write the name of the use case, which is mostly described as verb plus object. And association is a direct decline, which connects actor and use cases, and which tells us that there is a participation of the actor in the use case in some form. Include is a direct relationship between the two cases or use cases. That is, it tells that if one happens, the other will happen. And the extent is a or type relationship that specifies that we can extend option. That is, if we have a shopping cart, we can give an optional thing that we can give a wish list also. That's the thing. So the scenario which I got here is exam registration system. So use case diagram for that is like this. That is, we have a student which can enter details, view details, make payments and he'll try to generate hall ticket. After that, he'll take exam and view the result. That's what he can do. But in this is the system boundary, and here we have the COE, that's controller of examination, which will dispatch the form first, which will be filled by the student and then will be verified by the CEO. And if any details change in the details we have to do, it will also be controlled by the CEO. Display and generation of hall ticket will also be altered by the CEO. So it's given direct association. Here we have an extend option, that is for editing our details. That is an option. But for here we give include because we have to get our details verified. And here we have a faculty which has two uses, that will evaluate people and enter marks. So this is a simple exam registration use case diagrams. Thank you.